OnePlus has been putting out a good selection of phones so far this year, and new rumors suggest the Chinese company may yet have another model up its sleeves. We gather up the latest news and rumors surrounding the highly anticipated OnePlus 10T. The Yogesh Brar reports states that OnePlus will fit the new device with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. This would fit with the expected release date of the phone, as Qualcomm has confirmed that the new chip will appear in phones from July to September 2022. Yogesh also tweeted a post outlining the highlight feature of the new device. The specs mentioned include a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, plus a triple camera array comprised of a 50-megapixel main camera with YS, 16-megapixel ultra-wide and 2-megapixel macro. Rival leaker Digital Chat Station almost agrees but differs slightly on the camera aspects. He reports on Weibo that the ultra-wide will be slightly lower resolution at 8 megapixel, with the selfie camera similarly dropping to 16 megapixel. Both leakers agree that OnePlus 10T will be powered by a 4800 mAh battery, and DCS adds that it will ship with a 160 watt charger, though actual speeds will be capped to 150 watt fast charging, and it would feature wireless charging. This is interesting, as it means the new model will charge faster than the 80 watt equipped OnePlus 10 Pro, in addition to packing a faster processor. But where the older device lacks in speed, it offers more versatility thanks to its wireless charging option and a more impressive camera system. The OnePlus 10T will come with Oxygen OS 12 running on Android 12, which is par for the course for flagship phones in 2022. In fairness, the rumor states that this could in fact be the OnePlus 10 that never arrived, so we'll just have to wait and see what the marketing department at the company decides in terms of how the names will work going forward.